Let us continue the slides now. In the last video, you have seen how to draw less than and more than curve in the graph, right? So before that, actually in drawing ogive curves, three types of the questions are available, right? So one is drawing of less than curve on the graph to the given data, okay? And second one, draw more than ogive to the given data in the graph sheet. And third one, draw less than and also more than ogive on the same graph to the given data. So these three types of questions only available, okay? And second one, they may ask from all the three cases to find the median, okay? So in the last video, what we have seen, so we drawn one less than ogive and one more than ogive and the same graph set, and they were intersecting, and from that we found the median value, right? So without drawing more than and also less than on the same graph, also we can find the median. That means by through the listen the graph here. So here let us take this as a any less than curve, okay? Any less than curve, right? So how to find out median by drawing less than ogive alone, right? That is a question now, right? So in the last video, the intersection point will be there. So from that we drawn one vertical line. That vertical line will intersect to the x-axis at anywhere. That point is nothing but the median. We have seen the last video. But without drawing more than ogive, how can we find out the median by using less than ogive alone? Because here there is no intersection point, anything is there. Suppose one more line, that is one more curve is there, means intersection point will be available. From that point we can draw the vertical line to the x-axis and we can find out the median. But here only one curve is there, but therefore there is no intersection point also. So how can you find out the median from this less than ogive, right? So listen here. So suppose first we have to find out the total frequency of the data, okay? In the data frequency column available, so n is nothing but the total frequency, right? So and next you are going to find out n by 2 value also. For example, your total frequency is 70, right? Then n by 2 value will be 35 definitely. So find n by 2 value and choose the n by 2 value from your y-axis. So y-axis nothing but cumulative frequency only, already I said, okay? So here 35 is here. So from 35, with the help of the scale, okay, with the help of the scale, so draw a horizontal line. So that will intersect your less than ogive at anywhere. From that intersection point, draw a vertical line to the x-axis. So that will meet your x-axis at anywhere. So that intersection point is nothing but your median. So that is the procedure to find out the median by drawing less than ogive alone, okay? Suppose, so if the question is like this, draw more than ogive and find out the median from the graph. So the question is like this, means first we have to draw more than ogive. The more than ogive may be like this, okay? Then after that, after drawing the curve, what we have to do? Again we have to draw find out the that is total frequency and half of the total frequency also, that is n by 2 value. Suppose your n value 80 and your n by 2 value 40 means, so in your y axis, so choose 40 here, right? And then with the help of the scale, draw a horizontal line to the curve, that is more than curve, that will intersect at anywhere on the curve. That will be the intersection point. And from that, again with the help of your scale, draw a vertical line to the x-axis. So that will meet your x-axis at anywhere exactly. So that point is nothing but your median, right? So this median value is not accurate value, right? Then compare with our calculation, okay? Suppose we are doing find out the median to the given data through the formula, means that will give the accurate value of the median. But in the graph, you will get the approximate value only, okay? So even though there is no that much more difference, that is maximum, there is no maximum difference between your calculation value and our graphical value, right? It may be an error value, that's it. Okay, so that is a procedure to find out the median by drawing less than or more than curve alone. Okay, but what about the third type? That is when we are drawing both curves on the same graph. So both curves on the same graph means your less than curve may be like this and your more than curve may be like this. The intersection one point will be there. So from there you can draw directly to the x-axis and then you can find out the median value as per the video. So these three types only available in the graphical representation of ogives, right? Right. This is your homework. So that is one of your homework. That is draw less than OG for the following data. So the data is a continuous data. It is enough to find out, or it is enough to draw the less than OG alone. No need to draw more than OG. And also here they are not asking to find out the median value also. Suppose if they are asking to find out the median value, we can draw the vertical and the horizontal lines. Otherwise, no need. And we'll look at the next question. So draw more than ogive to the following data and hence find out the value of the median. So here they are asking to draw the more than ogive only. So in this question we are going to draw only more than ogive, right? Not less than ogive. So they are asking to draw more than ogive and they are asking to find out the median also, right? So first you have to create a table and then plot the points on the graph sheet and draw the more than ogive curve. So and then from that we are going to find out the median. How can you find out? As I told earlier, that find out n value. What is n value here? What is n value here? That is the total frequency. So 6 fours are 10, 20, 28, 32. So 32 is the n value, right? So what about n by 2? So 16, right? So in our y-axis, right? For example, like this. So it is x-axis, y-axis. For example, here 16 is there, means here 16 is there. We are n by 2 value, and your more than curve will be come like this or any one of the shape. Okay, and then draw a horizontal line from here to that curve that will intersect on the curve. From that again draw a vertical line with your scale. Okay, so that will meet in your x-axis. That will be your median. That is the procedure. Okay, so look at the next question. Draw less than and more than ogive curve from the following and indicate the median, and verify your median by doing actual calculation also. So here they are asking to draw less than and also more than ogive on the same graph. Okay, and then they are asking to find out the median also, right, as in the video. Okay, so listen here. Let us take this as x-axis and this one y-axis. Suppose your less than ogive will be like this, for example I am saying, and suppose if more than ogive like this, means they will intersect at anywhere. So find out the intersection point and then draw a vertical line directly like this. No need to draw the horizontal line, because what is the purpose of drawing horizontal line? For finding the intersection point only. But here the two curves are intersecting here, so that will be your intersection point. So from that draw vertical line to the x-axis, so that will meet in your x-axis at anywhere. So that particular point is nothing but your median of the data, right? And here they're asking one more question. Verify your answer with your actual calculation. So you can write the formula for the median under continuous data and then find out the median and compare your answers. Okay, so what will be your answers of in the graphical method and also through the calculation method? It may not differ maximum. Okay, it may be equal or just a small difference may become among this, that is between these two answers. Okay, so do it and check your answer, right? So we have completed your lessons. That is the end of the chapter. So we have seen all the two sections under statistics, that is graphical method and also your that calculation methods, right? So in graphical method only this much questions are available, so completed. So if you have any doubt, just go through the video once again, right, and just draw and practice it. Then only you can understand everything clearly, right? So let us meet in the next lesson, new chapter. So let us wind up the session now. Thank you.